What if you could build a profitable side hustle without learning to code, hiring a team, or working 8 hours a day? AI makes that possible, and in this video, I'll show you how everyday people are using AI tools to turn skills into serious income. Stick around because later I'll reveal the one side hustle no one is talking about that could explode in 2026. Before we go any further, let me reset expectations in a good way. This isn't about overnight success or some secret loophole. This is about stacking simple systems that compound over time. The people winning with AI side hustles aren't working harder than everyone else. They're letting automation do the boring part so they can focus on ideas that actually pay. In today's fast-paced digital world, AI side hustles are more than just hype. They're helping people quit their 9-to-5s, automate their work, and create freedom. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or total beginner, AI tools can give you a massive edge. And the best part, you don't need to be technical to start. I'll walk you through the most profitable AI-powered side hustles, the tools to use, and how to start small and scale fast. Let's dive in. What's changed in 2026 is leverage. One good idea can now turn into content, products, and income streams across multiple platforms, without you manually doing each step. AI doesn't replace your thinking, it multiplies it. And once you understand that shift, side hustles stop feeling overwhelming. All right, let's start with what are AI side hustles? AI side hustles are income streams powered by artificial intelligence tools. That could mean writing with ChatGPT, designing with Canva or Leonardo AI, automating your business with System.io, scheduling social media using Metricool. These tools let you work smarter, not harder. They handle the grunt work so you can focus on creativity and growth. And in 2026, this is just getting started. Think of AI like an invisible team. One tool handles writing, another handles design, another handles scheduling and sales. When you connect them properly, you stop trading hours for dollars and start building systems that run even when you're offline. Later in the video, I'll show you how to combine 3 tools into a fully automated content business that runs itself. And when I say runs itself, I don't mean perfectly hands-off from day one. I mean something you set up once, refine a little, and then let repeat. That distinction matters, and I'll show you exactly how it works in practice. Let's jump into the next part, top AI tools to get started. Let's break down the essentials. ChatGPT, draft blogs, emails, video scripts, and product descriptions in minutes. Canva Pro, design YouTube thumbnails, social posts, and lead magnets fast. Drag and drop, no design skills needed. Metricool, this is your social media autopilot. Schedule posts to Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, even track analytics. I use it daily, and there's a free plan linked below. System.io, my go-to for landing pages, funnels, and selling digital products. All in one, easy to set up, and no coding required. These are the same tools I use to run my own online income streams. Links are in the description. Quick side note, this is important. You do not need all of these on day one. Pick one core tool and learn it well. Most people fail not because the tools don't work, but because they try to use everything at once and never finish anything. I personally use Metricool to schedule all my YouTube shorts, Pinterest pins, and Instagram posts. It's like having a virtual assistant on autopilot without the price tag. And by the way, the real power of scheduling isn't convenience, it's consistency. Platforms reward creators who show up regularly, even if that regularity is powered by automation. Here's where it gets interesting. Real people making real income. Let's look at 3 realistic scenarios of people using AI to create side hustles. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who uses ChatGPT plus Canva to run a niche blog that makes $2,000 per month through affiliate links. Mark, a former graphic designer who uses DALL-E plus Etsy to sell AI-generated art. He made $10,000 in his first 4 months. Jasmine, a virtual assistant using ChatGPT plus System.io to manage emails, write copy, and build landing pages for clients. Their secret? They didn't wait to be perfect. They just started. None of them had huge audiences. None of them had special access. What they did have was a simple workflow they repeated. That's the part most people underestimate. Clarity beats creativity when you're starting out. Here's how Sarah runs hers. Writes with ChatGPT, designs lead magnets in Canva, funnels everything into System.io, schedules pins on Metricool, 1 day of setup, weeks of hands-free income. This is the exact type of system I teased earlier. Notice how nothing here requires daily posting, constant engagement, or manual follow-ups. Once the funnel is live, traffic and emails keep flowing automatically. In a bit, I'll share the one AI side hustle that requires no audience, no editing, and no products, but has crazy potential in 2026. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No experience required. I'll explain why it works and why most people overlook it. Coming up, we've got challenges to know. AI isn't magic. You still need to stand out from the crowd, keep learning new tools, use AI ethically, think copyright, licensing, privacy. But the upside? Huge. This space is new, wide open, and growing fast. The biggest challenge isn't competition, it's patience. AI side hustles reward people who stick with one system long enough to see results. Most quit right before the compounding kicks in. Next, we're tackling where to start, step by step. Pick a skill or passion: writing, designing, helping others. Pick what you enjoy. Pick one AI tool. Start with ChatGPT or Canva. Learn by doing. Create a sample project blog post, lead magnet, social post, anything that shows what you can do. Promote it, use social media, offer a freebie, join Reddit threads, start building your audience, or work with someone who already has one. Here's a simple rule: your first project is practice, not perfection. Treat it like a prototype. Once it exists, you can improve it. Nothing earns money while it's still an idea. By the way, use system.io to create a free landing page and start collecting emails from day one. Email is still one of the highest converting channels online. Social platforms change, algorithms shift. Your email list is something you actually own. Let's shift gears and talk about monetization options. Here are a few ways to monetize. Freelancing. Offer services using AI tools. Digital products. Sell things like templates, ebooks, art, checklists. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools you use, like the ones below. YouTube. Create shorts or tutorials using AI scripts and stock footage. Keep it simple. One platform, one offer, one AI workflow. This is where most people overcomplicate things. You don't need 5 income streams. You need one that works, and then you scale it. One thing I want to stress here, because this is where most people mess this up, is that AI side hustles are not about doing everything at once. They're about building one small system, letting it run, and then improving it based on real feedback. Most beginners jump from idea to idea, but the people who actually make money with AI do the opposite. They pick one workflow, one tool stack, and repeat it until the results show up. That's how side hustles turn into income streams. And the best part? Once the system exists, the effort doesn't scale with the income. You don't work twice as hard to make twice as much. AI absorbs that extra load for you. That's why this works so well for people with limited time, full-time jobs, or unpredictable schedules. This isn't about hustling harder. It's about setting things up smarter once and letting consistency do the rest. And try out this bonus strategy. Bundle your digital products into themed packs and offer them as instant downloads. Canva makes this ridiculously easy. Bundling increases your average order value without increasing your workload. Same content, higher return. That's smart leverage. If you're interested in copying my exact AI side hustle workflow, I've linked my favorite tools below. Most have free plans, so you can test them out. Here's something I want to leave you with. AI side hustles don't fail because the tools stop working. They fail because people stop showing up before momentum has time to build. Systems take a little time to warm up. Data needs to accumulate. Links need to be clicked. Once that happens, results speed up fast. This is why AI is so powerful. It removes friction, not effort. And when friction is gone, consistency becomes easy. And another thing to mention is why this approach holds up long-term and why it's not just another trend. AI doesn't replace effort, it replaces friction. The hard parts that used to stop people, writing, designing, publishing, organizing, are now automated. That means success depends less on talent and more on consistency. If you can show up with a simple system and let it run, you're already ahead of most people. And because AI keeps improving, the same systems actually get stronger over time instead of breaking. That's why these side hustles don't just make money once, they compound. Each asset you create feeds the next one. Each result teaches you what to scale. And eventually, the system carries more weight than you do. Subscribe for more real-world AI income tips. Next up, I'm breaking down how beginners with zero experience are launching fully AI-powered YouTube channels. No face, no voice, no editing, and turning them into income assets. Don't miss it. See you there.